Hi, this is John. In this video, let's explore how goals are managed in dovyo CRM. Goals can be created for specific users or for a group of users. So to understand this, go to this left side nav bar and hit on this goals icon. You will get to this page where you click on create. You will get as add new section page. In this page, you will start to create new goals. So goal subject is nothing but a name given for identification. Alright, identification of a goal that is to be created. So if you feel that this created goal has to be made viable for all staff, check on this all staff so that it will be made viable. Or else you feel that this goal has to be created only for particular staff alone, then uncheck this all staff. Thereby you will get to see a particular staff. In this, you just check on this particular staff. You will get to see a field as staff. Hit on this, you will get a drop down. Select for which staff this goal has to be made viable. Else you feel that you want to create it for a specific branch alone, and then hit on this and select the viable branches from this drop down. Or else if you want it for the department, similarly go for it, select the department. So next, what is this goal type? Alright, so you can create 3 different types of goals here by using this, which is a lead created and conversion of leads. Both will be based on count, whereas the sales will be of value based. So a lead created here means, for example, a goal has to be created for a user whose lead creation count should be 10 or 20 based on the business requirement. That is, that user has to get 10 or 20 leads based on this assigned value. Nextly, a lead X conversion, that is, how many leads are to be converted as a customer. That is, out of those 20 lead created, a goal is set such that 10 of those should be converted as a customer. This is always, these two are always count based. So when we go with sales, it's purely value based. That is, a goal is created for a value based of item group and total value. If you consider as item, it is that a goal created for this particular item is of this much value, and that value has to be achieved. Similarly for item group also, from this group this much of value has to be achieved. Next is total value, that is, for a particular month this much of total amount has to be achieved as a goal for proposal, estimate and for invoice. Next is contract, which is also value based. For example, if you want to create a goal saying you want to achieve a goal value of 50,000 for a contract, then it can also be created likewise. Once done, so the start and the end date can also be given. Nextly, there is something important as goal method, which has 2 variables as specific staff and group. So let us say for a specific staff, I'm creating a goal like lead created and it is given for particular staff. This is a multi-select option. I can also select one staff. Also, I can select n number of staff. I'm selecting around 5 staffs here, likewise, and it is being done. I give a goal value as 50. This speaks that all the selected specific staff should achieve 50 leads individually to complete this goal. Whereas if I opt for group, it means that all the selected staff, the particular staff put together, they should achieve this lead value as 50. That is, they have create a new 50 leads. That is the meaning of group. If you plan to explain the details of the goal, you can put it in this description and you can hit on save. It will be saved and it will reroute you to this list page. In this list page, you will get to understand the subject of the goal, the status of the goal type, start date and which date it is going to end, and what is the value of this goal. Whether this goal has to be made active or inactive, you can get this done here. After a goal is created, go to this, you will get to see the details of the goal. So the goal detail is what subject and what is the goal type, for whom the goal is allotted for, and what is the goal value and what is the method of this goal, whether it is specific or it is as group. So we can get to see how many staffs have been assigned for this goal and what are the values will be given here. Moreover, this area speaks about who has created the goal, and the specific details alone will be listed here. So this is a progress bar which says that what percentage the goal has been achieved, or whether they have started working, it is in progress or completed or failed. This meter will determine the efficient percentage of this goal. Up here speaks of the status of the goal, whether it is failed, achieved, or it is in progress. When a goal is started, this status will become as in progress. Alright, so apart from that, in this search bar, you can search goals through all these methods, like through staff, through goal type, through time period, through goal status, and through date filters. Alright. Also, search can happen through exclude and include active goals. This is how goals are managed in dovyo CRM. If you have any queries or doubt, please do feel free to reach your customer success associate for further clarifications in detail. Thank you.